80% of the people in Kenya, those who are HIV positive, actually know about their status. And you know, I think, Peter, you're the one who talked about this, that knowledge is a good thing, but there's something else that you talked about, treatment and all that, how the three things, she says, you talked about, how those should be working together.
As Dr. Ngugi just pointed out, for adults, Kenya, and even for children, has achieved the second 90 already. So really where we're looking to make progress in the next couple of years, to be able to really get the epidemic truly under control, is, I think, on that first 90, which means, although we're at 80%, which sounds good, and it's certainly an improvement over where we were 6 years ago, getting to 90 or 95% of people living with HIV knowing their status is really the challenge now. It's that last mile of getting to those people who don't know their status. And I think she also alluded to a couple of the strategies that could help us do that. Partner notification services is a way to reach people who might not have been reached, who might not have come in otherwise to a health facility to get a test. Self-testing is another good way to find people who may have not come into a facility to get tested otherwise. So I think that's really going to be where we're going to be focusing a lot of effort in the next couple of years.
Okay. There have been a positive response towards this self-testing kit.
Our facilities, and as well they can be able to do it at their convenience. Yeah, we have had good response, and knowing even the cost within, especially the public health sector, it's free, and even the cost for the ones who are buying within the private sector, it's only 500 shillings, so it's a bit cheaper. However, we are working towards reduce the cost of it, but we have a very good response so far.
Okay.
Yes.
We've been talking to Dr. Catherine Ngugi, who is from the it's called National AIDS and STI Control Program. She's the head. That's Dr. Catherine Dooley, and of course Peter Young, epidemiologist from CDC, that's the Center for Disease Control, and we'll be talking about the prevalence of HIV/AIDS in Kenya. Thank you so much for finding time for us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
My name is Millicent Aroka, and we come to the end of the big conversation.